Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make money watching videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually get paid to watch videos online. There are a few different ways to do this, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Method 1. Paid video testing sites. One way to make money watching videos is to sign up for paid video testing sites. These sites pay people to watch videos and give their feedback on them. The feedback can be about anything from the quality of the video to the content of the video. To get started with paid video testing, you'll need to create an account on one of the sites. Once you have an account, you'll be able to browse through the list of available videos and choose the ones that you want to watch. After you've watched a video, you'll be asked to complete a short survey about the video. The amount of money that you can make from paid video testing varies depending on the site and the length of the videos. However, most sites pay around 50 cents to $1 per video. Method 2. Get paid to watch videos on YouTube. Another way to make money watching videos is to get paid to watch videos on YouTube. There are a few different ways to do this, but one of the most popular ways is to use a third-party website or app. These websites and apps work by paying you to watch ads that are embedded in YouTube videos. The amount of money that you can make from this varies depending on the website or app, but most of them pay around 1 cent to 5 cents per ad. To get started with this method, you'll need to create an account on one of the websites or apps. Once you have an account, you'll be able to start watching videos and earning money. Method 3. Get paid to watch videos on Twitch. If you're a fan of gaming, then you can also get paid to watch videos on Twitch. Twitch is a live streaming platform where people can stream their gameplay to the world. There are a few different ways to make money from Twitch. One way is to subscribe to streamers. When you subscribe to a streamer, you'll pay a monthly fee to support them. In return, you'll get access to exclusive content and perks. Another way to make money from Twitch is to donate to streamers. You can donate money to streamers using a variety of different methods, such as PayPal, credit cards, and even cryptocurrency. Finally, you can also make money from Twitch by becoming a Twitch partner. Twitch partners are streamers who have been accepted into the Twitch Partner Program. Twitch partners earn money from a variety of different sources, such as advertising, subscriptions, and donations. To become a Twitch partner, you'll need to have a certain number of viewers and followers. You'll also need to stream regularly and produce high-quality content. Method 4. Get paid to watch videos on other websites. In addition to the methods that I've already mentioned, there are also a number of other websites that pay people to watch videos. These websites typically pay you to watch ads or to complete surveys about the videos that you watch. To get started with this method, you'll need to create an account on one of the websites. Once you have an account, you'll be able to start watching videos and earning money. Tips for making more money watching videos. Here are a few tips for making more money watching videos. Sign up for multiple paid video testing sites. This will give you more opportunities to watch videos and make money. Use a third-party website or app to get paid to watch videos on YouTube. This is a great way to make money from watching videos that you already enjoy watching. Subscribe to streamers on Twitch. This is a great way to support your favorite streamers and to get access to exclusive content and perks. Donate to streamers on Twitch. This is another great way to support your favorite streamers and to help them continue producing high-quality content. Become a Twitch partner. This is the best way to make money from streaming on Twitch. However, it's important to note that it's not easy to become a Twitch partner. So, there you have it. Those are a few different ways to make money watching videos.